Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Google Pixel 5 benchmark results using the AnTuTu Benchmark app and Geekbench 5. Both of those are free apps you can download on your own. So if you do, let me know the scores that you're getting and what device you're using in the comment section below. Also, if you're interested in the Google Pixel 5, the link to it will be in my video description below. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the results. First up, we can look at the results from the AnTuTu Benchmark app. You can see we got a score of 31.0505. We defeated 26% of users. Our CPU score was 99.86.2. We defeated 31% of users. Our GPU score was 83.43.9. We defeated 24% of users. Our memory score was 67.93.5. We defeated 47% of users. Our UX score was 59.26.9. We defeated 43% of users. Now we can look at some additional hardware details right here. So you can see basic info of our device, storage, and CPU information right here. Now let's look at our Geekbench 5 results. Here's our Geekbench score. You can see for single core, we got a score of 594. For multi-core score, we got 15.05. We can look at that comparison between other devices for single core and where the Pixel 5 stacks up to the competition. Now we can look at the multi-core score right here. Same thing, how it compares to other similar devices. And that's your benchmark results. Let me know in that comment section below what you get with your device. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.